Children, next disaccharide is lactose. Lactose. It is also a disaccharide. It is found in milk of mammals and hence it is referred to as milk sugar. This on hydrolysis, it yields galactose and glucose. Galactose also having the same formula C6H12O6 as like glucose, but only thing that differs is the fourth carbon. In glucose, only third carbon having OHH. In glucose, only third carbon having OHH, but in galactose, third carbon as well as the fourth carbon having OHH. That only differs. Formula and all same, only C6H12O6. This only differs. The epimer, differing only in the configuration. Here fourth carbon OHH, here HOH. That's the difference. But all the formulas, bonds, everything same only. So lactose is a combination of galactose and glucose. That is beta D galactose and beta D glucose. Beta D galactose means OH kept in the left side. Similarly, glucose means OH kept in the left side. Now, this is the beta D galactose structure. This is the beta D glucose structure. Now, both get linked. Here, beta 1, 4. In sucrose, we have learned alpha 1, 2 glycosidic bond. Here in lactose. See now this galactose, beta D galactose. It takes the pyrene form only. So, how I am writing, you see? Five carbon atom, one oxygen atom. I'll draw it in pencil. Easy to remove. Removal. First carbon, I'll show it in pencil. Here, OH, H, OH, H. Then others we can write in pen. H, OH, OH, H. Fourth carbon also. OH, H. Fifth carbon. Here H. Here CH2OH. This oxygen will taken for linkage. Now this is alpha D galactopyranose. Glucose. First carbon, OHH. OHH. Second carbon, HOH. Third carbon, OHH. Fourth carbon, HOH. And fifth carbon, CH2OH. This is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First carbon, fourth carbon. Water molecule removed. OH, H. Water molecule removed. So, what will you get? Water molecule removed. So HOH. Here first carbon, fourth carbon linked through an oxygen bridge, oxygen bond. That is called beta 1,4 glycosidic, otherwise glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond, beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. This is for lactose. Here in the aldehydic carbon is here. In glucose, this carbon, this is the aldehydic carbon. This carbon not involved in the bond, glycosidic bond. Hence, it retains its reducing property. So, it is called as reducing sugar. Lactose is called as reducing sugar. But sucrose we have seen as non-reducing sugar. Here, since it retains its aldehydic group, reducing property, it is called as a reducing sugar. Next, third monosaccharide is maltose. It is also a disaccharide. It is a mixture of alpha D glucose and 2 alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. Maltose derives from its name from malt, which is extracted from which it is extracted. It is also commonly called as malt sugar. Then malt from sprouting barley is the major source of maltose. It is produced during digestion of starch by the enzyme called alpha amylase. Enzyme alpha amylase. So maltose consists of two molecules of alpha D glucose linked by here also 1,4 glycosidic bond between the anomeric carbon of one unit and the C carbon 4 of the other unit. Here also it also acts as a reducing sugar only. Now I will show how it is linked. Alpha D glucose, first carbon HOH, second carbon HOH, third carbon OHH, fourth carbon HOH, fifth carbon H, then CH2OH. Similarly, another alpha D glucose, first carbon HOH, second carbon HOH, third carbon OHH, fourth carbon HOH, fifth carbon H, CH2OH. Here, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Here, water molecule removed. So, HO on bond is formed here. HOH. Like this, a bond is formed. This is called maltose. It's clearly given in your book, page number 248.